welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. And as you can see, we're going to be getting straight into these French cheetah print nails. So without further ado, please subscribe, hit the bell, that way you guys don't miss any future videos, and let's get right into this one. To begin, I'm going in with my custom pink color. I did mix this color with another acrylic that I had from an Etsy shop, and usually for my French nails I do stick with a nude smile line, but I didn't have any more, so I was like, I have to use what I have. And the pink that I was going for, I'm not sure if you guys have seen that some people, when they do the French, they use a really nice light pinkish clearish color. It's like a pink, but it's not so pink and vibrant like this pink is. I was trying to go for like a very light pink that wasn't like super pink. This is what I got, and I was like, okay, let's just work with it. I didn't see this pink, and I was like, okay, like this side's gonna look ugly. I was just like, okay, let's just work with it, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna come out cute either way. Moving on, we're going to be just doing a basic simple application, one color only, because we are going to be hand painting these French nails. And anybody who knows me knows that I really enjoy and I really love how a French nail made with all acrylic looks. When it comes to my preference, I'd rather hand paint French nails on myself than do it with all acrylic. So that's what we're doing. But if it's on a client, best believe I'm doing an all acrylic French. So we're just going in, doing that application, making sure not to flood the cuticles, wiping our sides to keep our shape. And from there, we're going to start our nail art application after filing, buffing, and removing all of the dust from the nails. I'm going in with a very thin brush. This brush did not come like this. I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but I did cut it because it was a very thick brush. For nail art that involves lines, I do recommend a brush like this that is long and thin enough to create those lines. But you guys will see me switch in between a variety of 3 different brushes just to make my life a little bit easier when it came to creating these French nails on myself. Just a little explanation of what I do when it comes to hand painting my own French nails. I either start from the center of the nail up into my sidewalls, or I start from my sidewall down into the center of the nail. And I didn't want them to be a deep French, so I just went with whatever felt best for me. Just a little explanation. With these French nails, I'm just going to make sure that the deepest part of the French is located at the center of the nail. That way they don't look slanted in any way. And you guys, just to make my life a little bit easier, you guys are going to see me put line indicators on my other 3 nails that basically tell me what is the center of my nail and how deep I have to create each French. And doing this just assures that each French design is going to be even. And if you saw my last video, which was Halloween nail art, so you know that right now I'm not using gel polish, but I am using Craft Smart acrylic paint. It's not like the best, but it's very useful, especially for somebody like me. I have gel polish, but I don't have all the colors. So what I did was I just ordered gel paint that is specifically for nail art. And if I like it from now on, which I'm pretty sure I am going to like it from now on, I'm just going to use gel paint. Just to go through it one more time, basically what I do is I start from the center and I draw my line up into my sidewall. And I do that for both sides. And once I'm satisfied with the smile line that I've created, I basically just go in and fill in the rest of the nail with that color. And if I need to make any changes or fix anything, I will do that as well.
They say I'm on the come up, but I've been on the calm down. See me doing good, they start to hate, that's how it goes now. I don't know why they mad at me, I always take my toes down. Driving through my city by myself, that's how I roll. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Roll me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Roll me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I remember being a kid, my teachers told me I wouldn't be shit. Diamonds in my pinky look like water, make me seasick. Never had no house, so don't.
I know nail art can be a little bit tricky, but I promise you, once you practice and start getting the hang of it, it's gonna be easier than the last time you did it. That's what I've noticed about it. Cause nail art is so pretty, especially hand painted nail art. It's something that I really want to continue to get into. And some stuff, it will look easy, but you know, it might be easy to you, but to the next person is not. So it's all about time, taking your time to practice and dedicating yourself to staying committed. And here you see my nails are shiny. That's because I decided to protect them with top coat, because since I am using acrylic paint, if I wanted to place more paint on top of my brown, and then let's say I had to get rid of the line that I created, I was also going to erase some of that deep chocolate brown. And I didn't want that, so I was like, let me just protect it with top coat, and then we'll go into outline our smile line in a lighter brown color. And of course, for our cheetah print, we went in with a dotting tool with black paint, and we just created that cheetah print effect. And honestly, for the cheetah print, I would have wished I used a photo reference just to make my life a bit easier, because you know, you don't want the spots to look all the same. So like with the photo, it would have been easier for me to determine what kind of line I was going to draw next with my dotting tool. But overall, this set was so beautiful. If I could change anything, it would be the fact that the pink is too pink for my liking, but either way, this set came out beautiful. If any of you guys recreate it, please tag me on my Instagram. I'd love to see it. And if you enjoyed watching this video, if this video was helpful, or you enjoyed how beautiful this set came out, please leave a thumbs up down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. And most importantly, don't forget to hit the bell. That way you guys don't miss any of my future uploads. I'm doing this new thing where the first person I see to comment under my videos is going to get a shout out and mentioned in my next video. And I know you don't want to miss out on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on my socials where we can interact with each other, because I'd love to talk to you guys. I'd love to follow you guys on your accounts and see your beautiful work. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, uploaded next Sunday. Bye.
Money and the power for respect, cause I don't need it. Driving to the west, I popped the bean and now I'm speeding. Know some people in the six that diss me for no reason. Sending shots, they sending shots on road, I never see them. Taking L's, they taking L's, I never wanna be them. Got your bitch beside me, she just asked me what a bean is. Put a number in my phone and you know how to lead. Driving solo, I'm just running through my hands. When I'm sober, I just know like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends.